Are you ready to take your cooking to the next level? Meet Carasel's freestanding cooking range, your kitchen partner. This appliance seamlessly combines a hob and an oven, allowing you to cook your delicious meals and bake your favorite recipes simultaneously. The cooking range comes with auto ignition, a simple turn of the knob and the flames are on. The convection oven with a 62-liter capacity comes with a tray, grid and a rotisserie function. The hob features Italian sub-off burners with sturdy cast iron pan support, easily accommodating larger pots. A smart flame failure device ensures automatic gas shutoff for added safety. The LED display shows baking time. The controls are fairly easy to use and you can adjust time, temperature and mode of cooking as well as activate manual mode and child safety. Carasel also gives 1-year warranty on limited parts. Ready to step up your cooking game? Try Carasel's freestanding cooking range and change the way you cook.